Imagine installing your own LED lighting without having to hire an electrician. Even installing wall switches and dimmers, like a pro, is a breeze. Well, with Tresco's FREEDiM Wireless Controllers, you can. And in this video, I will show you everything you need to know from what to purchase, how to connect it, and how it all works. Welcome back to Woodworker Express. Be sure as always to hit that subscribe button if you are new here and this is your first time seeing one of our videos. Installing Tresco's LED lighting couldn't be easier, especially with Tresco's FREEDiM Wireless Controllers. The wireless dimmers can be mounted to any standard wall electrical box or even directly into the drywall. Now let's take a closer look at what you will need. Weatherman style, we're going to show you what you need right now. So this right here is a Tresco Universal 12-volt power supply with mounting block, which is this part right here. They come together. I have more on that on a later video that's in this series. Just look up power supply by Tresco and you will find that video to learn more about that. You will also need the Tresco FREEDiM Wireless Receiver, which is this thing right here. This is going to connect pretty much how you see it here in between. You're going to have the power supply. The power supply is going to connect to the receiver. Then the receiver can connect to your mounting block. You can do this in different ways. You could also put this receiver after the mounting block in one of these little ports here if you just want to connect one light for that remote. But this way you can connect up to 6 lights and you can actually connect up to more by putting more mounting blocks connected to each other, which as I said in the power supply video, you will learn more about that. You will also need, of course, the Tresco 12-volt lighting of your choice, either puck style, Eurolinks, whatever kind they offer, you can connect to this system. And then last but not least, you will need a dimmer. This is the wireless dimmer in the FREEDiM series. Okay, so now this dimmer can be connected to up to 10 receivers. Why would we want to do that? It's kind of like when you have a kitchen and you have a light switch on one entrance of the kitchen and then maybe in the other entrance you have that another light switch. They all work together so you could turn one on and then walk out the kitchen, turn it off as you're leaving. You can do the same thing with the wireless FREEDiM remotes, which is amazing in these dimmers, and you could do that without any wires, which is phenomenal. Okay, so this works out really well. Let's imagine if you're sitting at your kitchen sink or standing and you have a left side of uppers, you have a right side of uppers, nothing in between, but yet you want to run your under cabinet lighting and you want them both to come on with one switch. Here's the one switch. So on the left of the sink, I would run my receiver, power supply, my mounter, and all of my lights. And then on the other side, I would do the same exact thing, and this one switch will control both of those wirelessly without any wires coming in between while you're doing dishes. Getting a wire in your face, who wants that? Okay, we're getting rid of the dimmer. Now we're going to talk about 2 zones or even more zones, depending on how many zones you want to go to. They also have wireless controllers that operate up to 6 zones. So by zones, I mean each time you have a receiver that's connected individually to its own dimmer is going to be a zone. Now 2 zone works really well. Say I only want one zone or one receiver to turn on a certain amount of lights, but I don't want the other one to come on when I hit the button. The 2 zone splits that up. So this one side would control one zone, which would be my one receiver and all the lighting that goes with it. And then the other one will control the other zone, which is going to be my other receiver and all of the lighting that goes along with it. Easy as that. Now let's multiply this into 6 zones. Pretend we have these 2 here times 3. So we now have 6 of these all together. 6 receivers, 6 power supplies, 6 of these, 6 of these, 6 of everything. You can use their remote controls. These remote controls can control anywhere from 3 to 6 different zones. So in the same way we just explained that, you would program this to control 1 zone, 2 zones, and then a 3rd zone, and then a 4th, a 5th, and a 6th. All separately, individually, with the push of a button. The remote control is pretty awesome as well. It's got a really strong magnet that you can stick this part directly to a refrigerator, or you can screw this into a wall or a cabinet and actually just set it there. That is a loud click, I understand, but this magnet is super strong and will hold up. So honestly, the possibilities are endless. I can't get to everything in this one video. There is just so much you can do, but this is your basic setup. As you can see here, you have the light, which will connect to your mounting block, which will then connect to your receiver, which then goes to your power supply. Simple as that. You could start out with going with that scenario and then build from there. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to leave them down below in the comment section. We are here to help. Until next time, we'll see you later. Whoa, check out these two videos. I wonder which one I'm gonna pick. Did I say that out loud?